Soldier.
Di tank sinching.
Guys, stop coming east, come west. Tang ina ng mga to.
Hold,
Okay,
Lebron.
Hold lang kayo, huwag kayo takbo ng takbo.
Healer Dudad akong pangalan. Hollow Fall healer.
Yeah, Hodge engage.
Careful northwest ah. Pull up sa'yo sa gitna. Nasa kanila kasi yung magandang ano eh. Magandang angle eh. Hold lang. Teka lang, ayusin ko lang yung settings ko guys.
Pulling sila towards choke.
Huwag kayo magpapapull dyan, come east side, kaya nga ako umalis dyan eh.
Look at your crown, guys.
Hold lang kayo dito. Huwag kayo papapull sa slope, mas maganda yung angle nila sa slope. Umalis ba sa slope? Umalis?
Nag-mount up.
Come southwest.
Ready.
Spread kayo northwest ha, spread kayo northwest side.
On top, you're too far.
Spread kayo northwest side.
Toy Shell Dudad akong healers nila.
Choke sila, nag-choke.
Choke fight. Lahat nga ng, sino ba yung mga party 2? Pag mag-mount nga natin, puntahan nyo sa likod yan.
Inching.
Hold lang. Wait lang ha, hold. Sige, huwag mo na yung maging huwag mo na bababa.
32 start going at the back.
Pwede mo tayong gidyan na naiwan, oh.
Wala akong may engage pre, full brawl tayo. Okay, Qs and Ws lang yan pre. Yan yung mag-defensive yan. Careful sa front. Nakaikot na ba yung party 2 oh?
Oo.
Sige, hold lang muna. Yung mga defensive ko, get ready ah. Tayo natin i-bait yung nila, engage nila. Qs and Ws lang to pre. Para mag-engage sila. Okay, lahat mag-step up. Spread kayo northeast. You can spread northeast guys if you can. Come northeast.
Inching.
Okay. Careful sa Jingwu ah. Qs and Ws lang. Sandwichin natin to pagka nag-engage.
Nag-demon, gago. -1 demon skill nila.
Oh, bobo nila. Dinimon LC, hindi naman replicable.
Paano ba natin to papalis?
Engaging?
Ito mag-engage?
Engaging.
Fake.
Fake.
Hold lang. Pag hintayin nyo yung engage nila, pag nag-engage sila guys, straight walk in ha. Wala matatakot ha. Kailangan natin mag-engage to pre, kapaka lang muna. Huwag kayo mag-step up DPS ha. Huwag kayo mag-step up. Mag-engage yan, be careful ha.
Be careful at the back.
Yung may mga ano nga, wait lang, mag-engage na ata to. Fake lang. Huwag mo na yung bababa, party 2, huwag mo na bababa, wait lang.
Wala sila pull ng golem, wala din sila Hodge.
May Hodge.
Hindi, nagamit ng Hodge, kakagamit lang.
Akala ko wala ka.
Hold lang muna. Tagal naman nila mag-engage pre, sobra naman itong ano. Okay, huwag ipapasok sa choke.
Dengkit
Huwag
po.
mo na, huwag nag-ano yan ha, nagpo-pull yan ha, be careful. They're pulling. Nagpo-pull. Hold lang. Teka, kagat.
At sarap i-kidnap nito.
Ilan ba yung party 2 ko nasa likod para mag-walk in lang ako dito?
Mas
Marami
halos
pa
lahat. Pati part 1 yan.
Okay, wala na sila sa choke.
Step.
Careful.
Gilip. Careful party 2, huwag mo na mag-dispute dyan ha.
Pushing sila south.
Mount up nga yung mga nasa likod ko. Yung mga naiwan sa likod, mount up nga kayo.
Holding sila ng choke. Ikot. May
Ito,
mga
mas better.
party to ikot. Wait lang. Sige, wait nyo kami.
Hold lang.
Pwede ito mag-over the wall, pwede ito mag-over the wall.
Hold lang. Step up kayo, pre. Cash nyo nga ito mga ditangs. Yung mga naiiwan. Yung mga nahuli, kidnapin yung mga nahuli, pre.
Stay spreaded, please.
Ito, healer.
Ito mga nahuhuli, pre, kidnapin nyo.
Healer sa likod,
Ito.
healer sa likod.
Kidnapin nyo itong mga to.
Looking.
Defensive ready.
Nag-engage ba? Hindi pa.
Wala pa. Defensive ready pa lang.
Careful sa choke ha. Step up kayo. Catch nyo. Nasa wall. West wall.
Sige.
Tap. Putang ina, mga namatay dyan, pre. Come northwest.
Yeah, bro,
Step up. Lahat ng healer nila nasa southwest wall. Lahat ng healer nila southwest wall, guys. Come southwest wall. Defensive sa loob. Yo, come northeast. Brawl northeast now. Brawl northeast. Hanapin yung mga healer nila. Get ready def sa gitna.
Main gate sila.
Get ready sa middle. Come northeast, come northeast,
Engage sila, engage sila.
Engaging.
Def. Good defensive, come southeast, come southeast. Huwag niyo pababain ng choke yan, huwag niyo pababain. Come northeast, come northeast.
Set armor,
Guys,
set
go
armor,
deeper,
set
go
armor.
deeper, go deeper, go deeper. Mga D-tanks ko, go deeper northeast, go deeper northeast. Find the crown, find the crown. Come northeast more, come northeast.
Outback.
Northwest now. Come northwest, go down then come northwest. Go down then come northwest. Come northwest now, come northwest now. Hold sila dito. Yung mga DPS, bilisan nyo ha.
Okay, they're looking,
Ready def,
ah,
ready
they're
def,
looking.
ready def, ready def, ready def, ready def, ready def, ready def, ready def. Engaging nga na, engaging nga na. Careful, engaging now, engaging now. Def west, def west. Nice defensive, nice defensive. Keep walking in, keep walking in, keep walking in. Judy ko sa harap ha, nag-Judy ako sa harap ha. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Walang namamatay sa kanila, boys. Brawlers ko, tangina nyo, di na kayo maging DPS. Come northwest, ang hina nyo mag-walk in. Nasa likod na ako guys, come northwest, come northwest. Party 2 brawlers, why are you guys so slow? Come southwest na, go up the choke, go up the choke. Careful ah, careful. Engaging now, engaging now. Def. Nice defensive. Come southeast now. They're walking southeast ah. Walk with them. They're going northwest on the... Yo, pupunta sila ng tunnel pre. Ay, ng ano, OP. Going OP. Hold yung choke.
Engage na,
AO si choke. Ready def ah. Pats kayo dyan pre. Come southwest nga. Southwest ng choke pre. Southwest ng choke. Go northwest. Hold nyo sila dito pre. Get careful ah. Careful southeast. Careful southeast. Def now. Def north. Come back. Likma. Pile si Likma.
Mana.
Spread. Guys, why are we not walking into the back line? Ako rin nasa likod. Yo, come northeast sila. They're walking northeast ah. They're walking northeast. D-tanks, mount up nga kayo. Mag-mount up nga kayo, D-tanks. Ang babagal nyo gumalaw, pre.
Yung minaiwan na ano, minorotate na no.
Engaging.
Def sarap.
Heal.
Lagay pang balik.
Color dead. Someone take over.
Sige lang. Yeah, keep on balik. Come north. D-tanks, walk in, please. Padelay.